Hello everyone, this is Atyan. I'm back with another video. We have been closely monitoring US Embassy and Consulate in India in terms of slots availability and visa priorities. We have been hearing a lot of cancellation of appointments happened for the month of November, and there were a lot of speculations were going on what would be the reason behind it. Mumbai Consulate have answered for this question. Along with it, they have also given an update on the Dropbox appointment and for the people who have got their appointment cancelled. And there are a lot of people who have been asking about the status or update on B1, B2 in terms of slots availability, and we are going to see what is happening right now. So let's get into the video. I think most of you should be aware that there were a lot of appointments which got cancelled for the month of November. And this question have been raised to Mumbai Consulate, who are very much active in Twitter when it comes to public queries. They didn't answer directly for this question. Instead, they have given an update. So in case you are done with your biometrics, but your in-person appointment have been cancelled by the consulate, in that case, you need not schedule your biometrics and in-person interview again. Instead, you can schedule only in-person interview appointment which has been cancelled by the consulate. And when it comes to immigrant visa applicants, for those immigrant visa applicants who have scheduled their appointments through US travel docs, then you should be able to reschedule your appointments in coming days whenever the slots get opened. And if in case the immigrant applicant have booked their slots through National Visa Center, then you have to wait for the further instructions on rescheduling your appointment as soon as the conditions allow. There were questions on Dropbox availability, and for that Mumbai Consulate have answered that the demand for Dropbox is huge and only limited slots are available right now and it gets filled up quickly. So probably you can check now and then so that you'll be able to get a slot soon. I think most of you are waiting to book a slots for B1, B2 or any update for B1, B2. As we all know that US is planning to lift their travel ban in the early of November, for which the date is not yet announced, and we are waiting for the next update. And when it comes to slots availability, since this announcement was in place, there were a lot of people who were able to book their B1, B2 appointments in the early next year. They were able to book their slots in April, then few were able to book their slots in March, then in February as well. There is no update that has been given from the consulate side for the month of November and December, but we can expect an update in coming weeks. But till then, if you want to schedule an appointment in early next year, then probably you will get one if you try now. Few of them were able to book their slots in the month of October itself. But if in case you are trying to schedule in the month of October, make sure that you have a solid reason for it, because the travel ban is still in place, and probably if you are not having a valid reason, then while going for stamping you might end up in getting 221G, which might delay your process. So if you are not having a valid reason, then wait for the next update for November and December. After hearing that many people were able to book their slots in the early next year for B1, B2, the next question that comes in your mind is which consulate? So from the information that I've got from our viewers and my friends, the list of consulate where people booked their slots for B1, B2 are Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata. I didn't get any update from the Hyderabad side, but hopefully we'll get soon. If you're planning to schedule an appointment for B1, B2, I think language also plays a major role. As because a lot of parents also go for stamping. If the applicant can manage English, then probably they can go for English. But after pandemic, the situation completely changed, which means till this travel ban was in place, there were a lot of people who went for B1, B2, selecting English, but attended their interview in the regional language. But even with the regional language, you cannot choose any consulate. If you are okay with English or Hindi, then you can check slots in any consulate. But if you are sticking on to one particular language, for example, if you take Tamil language, you cannot expect Tamil interpreter in Delhi consulate, or you cannot expect Marathi interpreter in Chennai consulate. So there are specific languages which has been supported in each consulate. So you have to check for each consulate in terms of language interpreter as well. And right now the situation is like more slots might get open for language English compared to the each regional languages. So first try getting an English language slot, then you can try for your regional language, or you can get an interpreter as well. If you're looking to schedule an appointment, please don't wait for the next update to come or any update from the consulate. Why I'm telling this is, if you take the previous experience, like when the slots, bulk slots were open for students in the month of June or July, they didn't announce and open the slot. Instead, they opened the slots when they have planned for it, after which they gave an announcement in live. So now the scenario is the same. So my suggestion is, even though we are waiting for the exact date of when the travel ban will be lifted or when the consulate is going to open the slots for many visa category, if you want to schedule a slots, try checking it continuously. Probably when they are opening the slots, you will be able to get one soon. So my suggestion is check now and then. Hope this information was helpful. Please stay tuned with the Purna Arti Vlog for more and more updates on embassy, immigration, travel and vlogs. Stay healthy, stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.